how to package for a friend or for you to archive. From time to time, you will want to send all your work to somebody or whatever. You need to include your work plus its fonts plus a small report that is somehow useful. Or sometimes you want to package your artwork as an archive. You put it somewhere on a certain drive, separate drive, with all the fonts and the images and whatever is required to open it after some time, like a year or two, and you find all your images and your fonts because your system has changed. How do you do that? Well, it's actually pretty easy. You come to File and you have here Package. So under File, Package, and here you have to select the folder. Pretty important to select a good folder, maybe on an external drive or something like this. So I'm gonna go inside here and we choose this folder. Now you will want to copy the links. Copy links in separate folders, and also it's gonna copy the images, relink linked files to document. So it's gonna copy and relink, and also it's gonna copy certain fonts except Adobe fonts and non-Adobe CGK fonts. This is to preserve, integrity of Adobe. And you want to create a report if you want to, and then notice it will create a folder here. I'm okay with that name. And let's click Package. As simple as this. It's gonna give you a warning message. Make sure that the fonts you are copying are legally copied, and you go OK. Let's see the package. It's pretty interesting that the package is over here, and you notice I have the fonts and have the AI file. If I double click, I can see my AI file now. Of course, this image is within the document. It is not linked. That's why we don't have it separately, but actually can work with it, as we used to work before. This is the way to package your product and put it aside for future use or send it to somebody to work on it. Okay, guys, so it's pretty easy and it's a lot of fun. I package a lot and put them aside on my external drives so I don't clutter my PC. This is good practice, in fact. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.